Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to our channel, and thanks for logging on. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and subscribe to our YouTube channel right here at Watchbox Reviews. I would really appreciate it, and I promise to update daily. If you like this watch, you can see it and purchase it on our website, thewatchbox.com. Ahoy there, landlubbers. This is the most unusual Ingenieur you will encounter, nautically themed but in the most unconventional fashion possible. This is the 2011 model year IWC Ingenieur Mission Earth Plastiki Limited Edition, stainless steel and one of 1,000 made. The timepiece commemorates the 2010 journey from California to Sydney, Australia, of the largely reclaimed plastic catamaran Plastiki, in the spirit of Thor Heyerdahl's famed Kon-Tiki, but designed to protest ocean plastic dumping as well as promote the idea of using refuse and waste as renewable resources. A timepiece that is bigger than life, larger than life, like David de Rothschild, the brain behind this operation. The watch is 46 millimeters in diameter on my 16 centimeter circumference wrist. You would think it's big pilot sized, but it doesn't feel that way. This is more wearable than a 46 millimeter big pilot. It's thick, but maybe not as thick as you assume. At 14.9 millimeters with a doubly stepped bezel, this is a surprisingly easy watch to wear underneath a jacket cuff. Lug to lug, it is big pilot broad, so 56.5 millimeters across the wrist, and you will note that the strap system is proprietary, so no measurement there. But because the case is shaped and the lugs turn down, this watch doesn't wear like a 46. It wears more like a 43, so don't think of it as a big pilot. Give it a chance. If you can't wear the big pilot, consider this one. You will also note that the watch features a unique strap. First, there's the color, and then there's the image of the IWC Ingenieur interlocking eye logo in a set of cutouts designed to evoke the cutouts in the hull of the Plastiki craft itself, through which you could see the plastic bottles that comprised the flotation devices. So this is actually designed to evoke the ship or the boat itself. All vulcanized rubber, very soft. On the underside, big channels to vent the wrist on a hot day, as well as remove material and make the strap still softer. You can see that it uses a proprietary quick release system. All you really need is a toothpick to disable the retention system and pop the strap off. You'll also note that the timepiece features a simple but appropriate satin finished and polished IWC pin buckle. This is the kind of thing you want on a sports watch, and this is a sports watch. The case, all of satin finish with a few polished accents. It's a little bit more discreet than the pilot, less traditional, more mechanical. You can see the imagery that Gerald Genta coined in the 1970s for the 1832 Jumbo Ingenieur reference, and that lives on here, but in a much larger scale. It's also better made, with more detail in the finishing and more grace to the transitional surfaces, such as the bevels. You will note the simulacrum of the screws used to hold the original together. These are simply indentations in the bezel. They have no structural purpose. Getting close to the dial, you'll note that same interlocking Ingenieur eye pattern stamped into the dial base, and the dial with a combination of applique indices and rich purple accents. Once again, those the colors of the Mission Earth ecological concern behind both this and the prior Mission Earth Ingenieur, both of them in service of the same general goal of awakening folks to the plight of the oceans and the usability of refuse as resource. You'll also note that there's a step to the seconds track outboard that adds a little bit of depth to the dial. Double Arabics, 12 and 6, nicely anchoring the dial down the center. The case back showing the image of the Plastiki craft itself, which incorporated 2,500 plastic bottles, and also a rough trace of its path from California to Sydney, Australia, across the Pacific Ocean. The watch itself powered not by wind and certainly not composed of plastic, rather powered by IWC's manufacturer caliber 8110, essentially a 44-hour in-house substitute for old ETA calibers. This one uses IWC's own tech, including the Peloton shock-resistant Paul-based bidirectional winding system for both efficiency and toughness. There's a soft iron cage to protect the movement from magnetic flux like a Rolex Milgauss, and the screw-down crown endows the watch with 150 120-meter water resistance, so you're more than good to go if you should fall off the Plastiki. Man overboard, you'll be happy to know that once back aboard, you can set your watch precisely with a quick set date and a hacking or stop seconds function. The dial is illumined, albeit lightly, because dark purple superluminova doesn't have a whole lot of punch, but rest assured, automatic winding, anti-magnetic, water resistant, and loomed. It's a sports watch through and through. The big pilot is too big for you, but you love the best from Schaffhausen and you love bolder sizes. You need to give this Ingenieur a chance. This is the reference IWC 3236-08. See the Plastiki on the watch box. As promised, the Plastiki After Sunset. Purple superluminova, not the punchiest, but by day there are a few more striking IWC sports watches. See it and make it yours on the watch box.